Hello, in this video we are going to see step-by-step guide for creation of DataMart based on analysis in TrueSight Capacity Optimization. First, let's create an analysis based on requirement. Here I'm choosing all system business drivers. Click Next. Here I'm choosing performance versus time. Next. Here template group I'm choosing as system. You can choose according to your requirement, and template as CPU utilization. Next. I'm leaving analysis resolution as automatic. Next. I'm leaving this as default. You can specify custom time filter. I'm giving a name as CPU util. Next. Finish. So we have an output of the analysis. We'll go to edit, advance. Here I'm using set the chart split option as single chart. Go to chart options, single chart, save it. We have output for the same. Now let's go to administration, DataMart, add DataMart based on analysis. I'm giving name as CPU util. I'm choosing the analysis which I have just created. In column mapping, I'm giving the column name as CPU util. I'm clicking on save. We have a CPU util DataMart ready. We can give on materialize now. So materialization has been requested. We can click on preview and we have an output. Additionally, we can use this to create a custom view in TrueSight presentation server.